Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Sakura Tree Lego is probably one of the most visually stunning and creatively engaging building sets available. This Lego set beautifully captures the delicate beauty of a cherry blossom tree, offering a rewarding building experience that culminates in a gorgeous display piece. From the intricate details of the branches to the vibrant pink of the blossoms, this set promises a relaxing and fulfilling project for Lego enthusiasts and nature lovers alike, bringing a touch of spring into your home. Number 5. Lego Bonsai Tree 10281, Botanical Collection. Welcome to the Lego Botanical Collection. This set is designed specifically for adults. It's a unique collection, including sets like the flower bouquet and orchid. This is the Lego Bonsai Tree model, designed for adult builders. It comes with a rectangular pot and a slatted wood effect stand. You can enjoy a mindful building experience with it. The set features a unique cherry blossom pattern. Designers have cleverly incorporated tiny frogs into the design for added fun. It's a great way to relax and unwind. Looking for a gift? This bonsai tree is perfect for any occasion. It's great for Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, and Father's Day. It's a gift that will be cherished. You can customize the arrangement of the leaves. It includes pieces to style the artificial plant with classic green leaves or vibrant pink cherry blossom blooms. Create a unique decoration for your home or office. This set uses sustainable plant-based plastic. Several elements are made from plant-based plastic, produced using sustainably sourced sugarcane. It's a choice that's good for the planet. The set includes interchangeable leaves. You can switch between classic green leaves and vibrant pink cherry blossom blooms. It's easy to change the look of the tree. What we like? This Lego set is part of the unique adult Lego Botanical Collection. It allows you to create a custom arrangement with interchangeable leaves. If you are looking for a mindful build with a unique cherry blossom pattern, you should consider this. What people say. Great set, a lot of fun to build and looks great as decorations for desk and shelves. With 878 pieces, you build a beautifully detailed bonsai tree complete with a rectangular pot and slatted wood effect stand. The set includes over 800 pieces, which allows for a detailed and immersive building experience. Number 4. Lego Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. This is the Lego Ideas Central Perk set. It's packed with details to inspire hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. You can show it off to your own friends. The set includes minifigures of Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther. They come with cool accessories to roleplay memorable scenes from the show. This collectible 1070-piece Lego toy offers a rewarding building experience. It's perfect for adults aged 16 and up, whether building solo or with friends and family. This Friends TV show merchandise is compatible with other Lego bricks and characters. You can create your own mashup models and unique stories. The set measures over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It will make a big impression when displayed in any room or office. What we like? This set is a brick-built version of the famous Central Perk Cafe. It comes with minifigures and cool accessories to roleplay memorable scenes. If you are a fan of the Friends TV show and love to build solo or share the fun with friends and family, you should consider this. What people say. The detail was perfect. The directions were easy to follow and everything fit together so well. The attention to detail is incredible. From the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. Number 3. Lego Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing the Lego Adidas Original Superstar 10282. This set allows you to build and display one of the world's most recognizable sneakers. It's a fun and realistic tribute to the original Adidas sneaker. This model is packed with authentic details. It features the famous shell toe, 3 serrated stripes, and the Adidas logo on the tongue. You'll find other original Superstar graphics as well. The set comes with shoelaces and authentic shoe box-style packaging. It's a great way to celebrate a classic design. This Lego model is a fun and realistic tribute. Looking for a gift for Adidas fans? This model kit is ideal for streetwear collectors. It's also great for adult Lego builders looking for a unique project. Once built, it measures over 4.5 inches high, 10.5 inches long, and 3.5 inches wide. It's a great display piece for any fan. What we like. This Lego model allows you to build and display one of the world's most iconic sneakers. It is packed with authentic details like the famous shell toe and Adidas logo. If you love streetwear collectibles, you should consider this. What people say. The cherry blossoms are beautiful. The branches can be arranged to create different looks. The set is a great display piece. Number 2. Sakura Tree House Lights Building Kit. This stunning building kit lets you recreate the iconic Inari Shrine. It features vibrant sakura trees and intricate architectural details. It's a perfect way to bring a piece of Japan into your home. The set includes LED lights to bring the shrine to life. The lights enhance the beauty of the sakura trees and the retro lamp posts. It creates a magical atmosphere. With 1103 pieces, this building kit offers a rewarding building experience. It's designed for ages 12 plus and adults, providing hours of entertainment. You will enjoy the process. Made from durable, non-toxic ABS plastic, this kit ensures safety and longevity. The smooth surface and rounded corners make it safe for children. It is built to last. This building kit is an excellent value and a great alternative to more expensive sets. It's a perfect gift for parents, friends, or collectors. They will love it. The Sakura Tree House stands at 9.5 inches tall, 8.6 inches wide, and 10.8 inches deep. It's a beautiful display piece that will look great anywhere. It is a great size. What we like. This building kit features the architecture of a Japan Inari shrine with sakura trees and LED light effects. It is an excellent value for money with a high level of detail. If you like the Japanese culture and want a unique building experience, you should consider this. What people say. Beautiful set inspired by the Fushimi Inari Shrine against a backdrop of cherry blossoms. LED bar to light up the product. Compatible with Legos. Number 1. Cherry Blossom Bonsai Tree Building Block Set. This microparticle building block set offers a challenging puzzle-like experience. It provides endless possibilities for creativity and imagination, allowing you to build in any direction. The set encourages unique designs and structures, fostering creativity. Playing with it improves fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination as you manipulate the small pieces. It helps develop problem-solving and spatial reasoning skills. It's a great way to introduce STEM concepts like geometry and engineering. You'll learn about balance and structure while building. Many sets are part of a larger collection, adding to their appeal. This set can be a valuable addition for collectors. If you have any questions about this flower building block set, please contact us via email. Remember, the battery box can be modified for the switch, and some parts can be assembled flexibly. What we like. This set uses microparticle blocks, offering a challenging puzzle-like experience. It comes complete with string lights and allows for endless possibilities for creativity and imagination. If you enjoy a high degree of creativity and want to improve your fine motor skills, you should consider this. What people say. They used the branches in the building of the tree trunk, which made the trunk a whole lot more stable for adding the branches holding the flower at the end. It's a beautiful piece. When the tree was completed, it looked very beautiful, almost like a real cherry blossom tree. She especially likes to use it as decoration, and the lights make it even more pretty in the evening. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.